Hello my people, welcome to Test Case tutorial today. Here today on this today episode, I want to show you guys how to withdraw from Roqque, which is one of the best platforms you can withdraw to your bank in Nigeria. So as a crypto trader, if you are using Roqque or if you have not been using Roqque, please try and follow my referral code and join Roqque. Okay, so before we head on to this video, please do not forget subscribe if you like this type of video, and do not forget to also share and make some comment in the comment section below. So today I just want to withdraw a little money from Roqque. Today you can see our balance right here. So we want to withdraw money, just a little change, to our bank, and let's see how fast it's going to be. So right now we just have 1.5 here. So I just want to do this for my subscribers to know that withdrawing from Roqque is very easy with no stress. So you click on withdraw first of all, then I will just place an amount of 1,500. Then when I do that, it's not up to $1, but you can still withdraw. Imagine it's not up to $1. So guys, then you continue. You select bank transfer. You can see my bank is already here. Then you click OK. Then I have to pause so that I can put my password. So guys, you can see now I've put my password and transaction complete. So guys, go home, then let's go to the transaction history. You can see I just withdrawn 1,500 to my bank, my first bank account, which is just today. So guys, if you like this type of video, please do not forget subscribe and share. And okay, bank withdrawal complete. It should be arriving to my bank immediately. So immediately it arrives to my bank, I will also do a record of the SMS alert and also drop it here for you guys. So guys, if you like my content, please support me by subscribing, and that is all you can do for me. Follow up for more updates like this, and also do not forget, hit the like button. See you on the next video episode. So remain Johnson Kevin. Bye bye.